Pentair Jung Pumpen is unique to our customers. Made in Germany is not only a slogan, it's a way of life and it's a promise to our customers.
Das heißt, zieh mal Stück fett. Einen Bereich haben wir klein drin bei unseren stehen. Sondern alles mal.
We have 3 different buildings, 40,000 square meters. In total we are talking about 315 employees. My day starts in the morning at around 6:45. I'm Dominic Pletzeus and the Operations Senior Manager for the Pentair Jung Pumpen site in Steinhagen. I'm responsible for the complete operations, logistics, industrial engineering, quality, procurement. I would describe my job more as a problem solver, giving ideas to my team to further improve our day-to-day work. Most of our employees live here in Steinhagen or quite close to Steinhagen.
I'm born here in Steinhagen and I have my wife and my 2 children here in Steinhagen as well. I've been with Jung Pumpen for more than 33 years.
Hallo. Hallo.
It is always a pleasure to come into this factory, to see the employees and how we serve our customers and help them to solve their daily problems.
These are high reliability pumps that go into people's homes. So our products are going to be in the places that you'll never see them and hopefully never have to address them, because our products are going to be part of your sewer system that's in the street. It's also going to be part of the water disposal system that's taking water out of your basement. These are all behind the scene kind of applications.
If an installer or a plumber goes to a wholesaler, he's asking maybe not for a specific product, he's asking for the yellow-black. The brand Jung Pumpen is really well known for outstanding quality with a good delivery service.
We get a lot of customer groups, installers here to Steinhagen to give them a training in our training center. We have to look through our customer lens to see what we are doing every day for our customers. Is that the right way? Can I do it in a better way?
What I appreciate about our team members here is they're looking at the challenges that they hear from the installation contractors during these training opportunities to say, how can we make our products easier to install, easier to service? That's what builds that partnership and really earns the trust with our installation customers.
Automation is important because we use automation to deliver quality product to our customers. They can really see that we do rotor molding in-house, we do CNC in-house, we do motor winding in-house, we do cable assembly, we do final assembly painting.
When you bring automation and a skilled workforce together, it's really going to drive a high quality product that creates that end customer experience that we're looking for.
We have a great team of service technicians.
So I think having a service deliverable as part of a manufacturing company really sets us apart in the industry. We want that consumer to have confidence that our product's going to work when it needs to work.
Environmental changes are so critical for the entire population in Europe. We see every year more and more floodings. And that means that it's more and more important that we will be at the right time with the right products and help the end customer to secure their houses. We are really innovative. We have a great relationship with our customers. We have really the best employees you ever can have. I see a great future for this business.